This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. To access the headlight bulb, the headlamp surround panel will need to be removed. Unscrew and disconnect the indicator and side light bulb holders. Then release the panel by unscrewing the two securing screws as shown. Now release the headlight assembly by undoing the 4 screws. Unplug the connector, peel off the rubber boot, release the retaining clip and withdraw the bulb. Fit a new bulb into the holder and secure it with the retaining clip. Avoid touching the glass with your bare skin. Replace the rubber boot. Fit the headlight into the vehicle by replacing the 4 screws. Refit the headlamp surround panel, securing it with the 2 screws, then refit the indicator and side light bulb units. Check that all lights are operating correctly.